Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. One more time.
Stomp your feet. Up, stomach, side, stomach, up, stomach, side. One, nod your head. One, nod your head. Bigger. Nod your head. Up, so long, side, stomach, up, stomach, side. Say aha, oh, oh. Aha. Aha, up, stomach, sides, stomach, up, Alisa, Andrei. Stop, knees up. We walk, we walk. Sasha. Stop. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Jumps. Jump, 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 jump. Around yourself. Run. Run, 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 run. Sasha, Milana, you're moving, moving. You can run.
Let's look together so we know what's in the window. Ready, let's go.
Now you may stay and wait.
I wonder what's in the red window. Let's take a look.
Take it.
Do you know what it is?
It is? What is it?
It's a cow.
Cow. Okay, continue.
What's in the window? Can you see? Boys and girls, come look with me.
Let's take a look at
Alisa.
the window. I wonder what
Okay,
it is.
what is it?
It's a cat.
Cat, right here. You continue.
Can you see? Boys and girls, come look with me.
Let's try the yellow window.
Okay, what is it?
It's a dog.
Dog.
Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer milks the cow. The farmer feeds the pigs, the farmer feeds the pigs. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer feeds the pigs. The farmer.
Yes, that's good one. We are coloring our pigs with pink clay using our little fingers, only fingers and hands. Okay, Lisa, that's good. That is a very beautiful picture. Okay, Milana, yes, that's right. Pink pig. Okay, Anya, that's good. And continue, continue, continue.